Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will going to talk about how to update your Express Entry profile before ITA. It means that once you have created your Express Entry profile and if you want to do any changes, for example, if you received higher band in the IELTS exam and you want to update in your account, or you want to update your ECA educational credential assessment in your Express Entry profile. So to do that, let's see how to update your Express Entry profile. So before I start, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest videos and updates about Canada PR. Okay, so let's open the google.com and type CIC login and open the first link, and in the first link it will ask you for whether you have to do the login with GC key, user ID and the password. So as you have already created your profile, so you have this GC key, user ID and the password. As you click on this link will be opened, and here you have to provide the user ID and the password. So let's say for an example, I have created one profile and I have written the username and the password for my Express Entry profile. So let's do the sign in. I don't want to save it. Fine. So you can see this is the profile that I have created recently, and let's click on the continue, and you can see that this is the profile that I have created, and let's click on the check full application status. So you can see this all the application details, and let's click on the view your profile. Fine. And let's say you can see this as you have transmitted all the information, so means all this information are submitted. Fine. So now if you want to update anything, let's say for example I want to update my IELTS result. Okay, so let's click on this form, update study and languages section, and let's wait first. Once web page will open, then we can do the changes. Okay, so let's say as I have already mentioned about my education and my official language, so here I have mentioned about my IELTS results. Fine. So let's say you want to update it. So let's say instead of 8.5 you got 9 in speaking. Fine. Your number, TRF number would be changed, your date and the result date will be changed, so you can change accordingly as per the requirement. Let's click on the save and exit. Okay, so now you see the difference. You see that as we have updated this section, so in this section it says that you want to update the form, you can click it, or you want to revert the changes. If you click on the revert changes, it means that again the form would take the previous data, the no changes would be affected. Fine. Now if you want to submit this information to the IRCC, then you have to submit, or you have to transmit this detail again like all other section, and to do that you just click on the continue. Right, again it will ask you for the given name. So let's say my given name is Janil and the last name is Patel. For example, this is the profile that I have created. My pet name is Sweetie. Okay, again let's click on the sign, and you will have to click on the transmit. Okay, and again it says that congratulations, your profile is successfully submitted and updated. Fine. So it means that again you will be go back to your profile, and you will see that the processing the update, it means that they are transferring the data, they are saving your data into the profile. So after few seconds or few hours you will see that your profile is submitted. Still it is in processing. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so it is still under process. You will see the status will be changed over here, and the status will be application or profile updated. And suppose if it will not be updated within few seconds, few minutes, then it is okay, it will be updated after some time. fine, when they update the data. Okay, so this is how you can change the any data in your express entry profile before ITA. Once you receive the ITA, whatever the information that you have written in this profile, that will be locked. Fine. So I hope this will be clear how to update your express entry profile before ITA. I hope you like the video, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box of this video, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest videos and updates about Canada PR. Okay, thank you.